everyone, welcome back. So a bunch of people were asking me about the tape measure video, so I just want to go over that. So hopefully I can explain this well enough for you guys. I feel like I'm pretty confident how to use a tape measure, so hopefully I can convey that to you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip the camera around, and I'll go ahead and get started. So here we go. Alright, so here is one of my old tape measures that broke. Right at the 13-inch mark, there's like a giant gouge out of it, and it's pretty much really hard to open up the tape measure without it getting stuck. As you can see here, it will not come any further. Kind of gets stuck here on the bottom, so I apologize for trying to open this right now. But anyways, I was gonna show you an example, but whatever. So here we go. So each one of these numbers is an inch. I just want to go ahead and say that I live in the United States, so if you're trying to do this like in like UK or something with a different metric system, then this might not help you out very much. But anyways, we got inches here in the United States. So each one of these inches is broken down into 16 different parts. If you kind of think of it like a pie, you cut it into 16 different pieces. Each piece adds up to a whole. So that's 1 inch, one number. So you got 16 marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the halfway mark. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16 is the last one of the inch. So 16 pieces comprise each inch. You got the halfway mark, which can be called 1/2, or you can change the denominator from 1/2 to 2/4 or 4/8 or 8/16, which reduces down to 1/2. But if you just think of it as 16 different pieces, then it makes a lot more sense. So if you think of this as 8/16 is also a half. If you get it when you know, I guess. But they're the different marks on the tape measure. The halfway mark is the tallest one, and then the next tallest ones are the quarter marks. So 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and then from there you got the 1/8 marks, the second one in. So the top one there, the top one there. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, one whole. And then each 16th is, 16, so 1/16. And then you got 3/16, 5/16, 7/16, 9/16, 11/16, 13/16, 15/16. So I'm kind of going over this a little bit fast, but hopefully that makes sense to you. So if you were to go through this as the numbers as they are without having 16th as the bottom denominator, it would be, let me just try to do this real quick because I've never done this. 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8. What is that? Oh my gosh, this is an 1/8. So 1, 2, 3. No, that's not right. No, 5/16, I think. 1/2. 9/16. Oh my gosh, it's more difficult than I thought. Then you got another 1/8 one, so that's 5/8, and then you got 11/16, 3/4, 13/16. I guess you kind of have to remember the bottom denominator. So if you know it's a 16th, you know it's going to end in a 16th, and this is the 13/16. This one's ending in a 1/8, so it's going to be 7/8, and this one's ending in a that one's ending in a 1/8, so it's gonna be well, that's a 16th, so that one's gonna be 15/16, and then your whole. So hopefully that I didn't butcher that too hard, but that's kind of how it is. And then of course you got the 1 foot mark, 12 inches in a foot, which I'm trying to show you here, but it's kind of stuck. So you got 12 inches here in a foot, and I think that's basically all you need to know. I mean, we're not using meters here or anything, so 12 inches in a foot, and then I guess, yeah, I think that's about it, all you need to know. So anyways, hopefully that helps you out. Just think of it as like a pie shape, sort of, and just cut into pieces. And so anyways, each one's a 16th, and you got, yeah, so I'm not going to go over it again, but anyways, if you need to go back through the video and listen to it again. Hopefully this helps you guys out, and happy electricianing, and happy tape measuring and measuring. So anyways, I'll go over that. If you guys got any other video ideas, make sure to drop them below. If you guys want me to like go over like how to do fractions or whatever, on like how to add different fractions or whatnot on a tape measure or anything like that, drop that below, and hopefully this helped you out. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out. Check the description for any other information, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And I plan on doing a really long live stream later, late into the night, so make sure to call me out on that, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.